Good morning, children. Today we will discuss some important political personalities in India. Let us start with the President. President is the head of the country, King of India. Indian President is the first head of the state. He is recognized as the first citizen of India and he is regarded as a symbol of solidarity, unity, and integrity of the nation. Ramnath Kovind is the 14th and current President of India. He is the ceremonial head of the state of India and the Commander-in-Chief, Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces. What are the qualifications to be the Indian President? Few conditions or qualifications are assigned to be as the Indian President. The qualification to be an Indian President or he should be an Indian citizen. Age limit is a minimum of 35 years. He should qualify the conditions to be elected as a member of the Lok Sabha and he should not hold any office of profit under the central government or state government or any other public authority. So these are the qualifications to be the Indian President. Election of a President. The President is indirectly elected by an electoral college comprising both houses of the Parliament of India. The electoral college responsible for President election comprises elected members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, legislative assemblies of the state and legislative assemblies of the union territories of Delhi and Puducherry. What are the powers and duties of the President? The primary duty of the President is to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law of India. All laws and major policy decisions of the government and all government activities take place in the name of the President. Here we have the powers of President. Legislative powers, executive powers, judicial powers, appointment powers, financial powers, diplomatic powers, military powers, pardoning powers and emergency powers. All these are the powers of Indian President. And coming to appointment powers. The President is responsible for making a wide variety of appointments. The President appoints the Prime Minister and other members of the Council of Ministers on the advice of Prime Minister. And also, the President appoints the Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court of India. And he also appoints the Chief Minister of the National Capital Territory of Delhi and also appoints the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners. Governors of states are also appointed by the President. In India's Constitution, the President is a nominal head and all the core powers vested with the Council of Ministers and the Prime Minister. The independent decision-making power is hard to see in the working of the President. Here we have the list of presidents in India. After that, Vice President of India. Vice President of the Republic of India is the second highest constitutional office in the government of India after the President. The Vice President acts as the President in the absence of the President due to death, resignation or other situations. Sri Venkaiah Naidu is the current and 13th Vice President of India. He is also the first Vice President to be born after independent India is formed. The Vice President of India is also ex officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. Election and term of Vice President. The Vice President holds office for 5 years. The Vice President can be re-elected any number of times. And the Vice President is elected indirectly by an electoral college consisting of members of both the houses of the Parliament. Here we have the list of Vice Presidents in India. Then Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the head of the government. So President is the head of the country and he is the first citizen of India. Whereas Prime Minister is the head of the government. The Prime Minister is the senior most member of cabinet in the executive of government in a parliamentary system. The Prime Minister selects and he can dismiss members of the cabinet, allocates posts to members within the government, and he is the presiding member and chairperson of the cabinet. Shri Narendra Modi is the current Prime Minister of India. He is serving on this post since 26th May 2014. He is also the longest serving head of the elected government among all the Indian Prime Ministers. And previously, he served as the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 7th October to 22nd May 2014. Functions of the Prime Minister. He acts as a link between the people, the President and the Parliament. He formulates various policies of the government. He advises the President on the appointment of the ministers. The Prime Minister and his cabinet members coordinate and carry out the entire administration of the country. The Prime Minister is appointed by the President, who also appoints other ministers on the advice of the Prime Minister. The council is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. So, how many ministers are there in Narendra Modi's cabinet? So, the Prime Minister cabinet comprises 21 cabinet ministers, 29 ministers of state and 9 ministers of state independent charges. Here we have the list of Prime Ministers of India. Let us see a few important cabinet ministers. Ministry of Home, Shri Amit Shah. Ministry of Defence, Shri Rajnath Singh. Ministry of Finance, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman. Ministry of Education, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Ministry of Health, Dr. Harshavardhan. So, here we have the other cabinet ministers, ministers of state and ministers of state independent charges. So, that's all for today's class. Thank you, children.